Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, we're doing a St. Patty's Day look. So let's get right into it. So if you want to know what products I use on my brows and my specific technique, I can do a brow tutorial video for you guys, but let me know in the comment section below if that would be helpful. So for this look, I'll be using my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette in Dark Magic. And I'm starting off with that light green in there named Potion. And I'm just putting that in my crease and blending it out. So now I'm going to take Inside Job and I'm just putting that in the crease and blending it out with Potion. Now I'm going to take that black shade Temptress and I'm adding it to the outer corner of my eyes and just blending it out just to darken that green up a bit. By the way, y'all, this black is super pigmented, so just light taps when you're getting the color out. You don't need a lot, trust me. Time to cut that crease, y'all. Okay, so I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Nude. I usually use my MAC paint pot, but I left it open the other day and it's like a little dried out. I know I can fix it with some oil, but I didn't have time for that. So this was working pretty good though. Also, if y'all want a specific video on the cut crease, let me know that too in the comment section below. Now we about to jump into that Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics. And I'm using that lime green or that neon green, I don't know. I'm using that shade that I realized that I was hitting the pan. I'm like, dang, do I even use this that much? And I'm not blending this green in too much because I want it to be popping, you feel me? So I'm just kind of like packing it in on my lid. go back in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go with this. Oh no! Ooh, Diversion may be cute. I'm gonna go with that green right here, the shimmer. So I'm just blending Trickery at the end of my lid, and just blend it in towards the middle, just to shave off some of that light green just a little bit and blend it all in so it looked like one nice uniformed look. And I'm just trying to make sure it looks even on both eyes right here. Now I'm taking my NYX liner to throw a wing on that thing, but nothing too major, just a little something something. Okay, so I'm gonna actually go back in my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna use this little brush here from Luxie, and I'm gonna just go into this green. I'm about to try to lay these edges, y'all. I do not know what I'm doing, but actually it didn't turn out bad, but I'm not good with laying no edges. I'll be watching videos trying to learn, but I did a little something. I'm using the Nabi lip liner in the color brown just to line my lips. So I ended up changing my lip in the end. I changed it to a gloss. I got it from Kiss Me. It's called Flirt. I don't know, that nude just wasn't doing it for me no more, so that's why I changed it. I'm using the Colossal Volume Express from Maybelline and the Total Tease from CoverGirl for my mascaras. Okay, y'all, this is pretty much it. I'll have some pictures at the end of the video so you can see the final look. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see future videos. And I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye.